Hey guys, welcome back to Kendi Beauty. So I figured I would venture out with the VIB sale that recently had happened, the holiday VIB sale, and it's because of you guys. I can thank for this, for spending all my money on Gucci metallic lipsticks. Anyways, when you guys had complimented me on the one video where I was wearing the colorful lipstick, I think it was, I forget, it was a darker lipstick, I just was like, you know what? I think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to bite the bullet. I have been wanting these Gucci Rouge Lèvres Gothique metallic lipsticks for almost a year. I don't remember when they came out, if it's been a year or within the year, but I've been wanting to try these for a while. And then when the VIB sale came up, it was like late night. Here's the thing, I didn't pull the trigger at first, but then what happened is because I didn't pull the trigger right on the 5th, I ended up doing some like late night shopping and it did not result well for me. I ended up getting them all. I couldn't even decide. They all looked so beautiful. So anyway, I just thought also, like, for the holidays, I love metallics, eyeshadows, metallic lips for the holidays. I just feel like if you're going to be able to get away with it, the holidays is the time of year to be able to get away with it, if you know what I mean. So I figured, why not just swatch and test them all out? We'll see how, you know, how they all like look and everything. So I'm super excited because I love the Gucci lipsticks. I have a couple of other of their limited edition ones, the Agatha Orange, I believe it's called, and I love them. So I'm super excited. I think Michaela on TikTok, Michaela did a video on some of them, or maybe those were the satin ones. Anyways, I can't wait to test them and swatch them out and see how they look on the lips. So if you guys are new here, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with us today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, tap the bell so you can be notified of all the new makeup. We do a lot of makeup here at Kendi Beauty. Plus, we have some awesome giveaways coming up between now and the end of the year, so I wouldn't want you to miss out. So make sure you tap that bell, make sure you're publicly subscribed, and you give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so let's get right into the deets on these lipsticks. And of course, what am I always notoriously famous for is forgetting to mention what's on my face today, which I've got to start. I know you guys want me to link it down below. I'll get there, okay? So what is on my face today? I am wearing the Danessa Myricks Lightwork palette along with the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. And then as far as my cheeks, I have the new, well, it's not new, but new to me, Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk and Dawn. Or no, just Dusk. Just Dusk. Totally obsessed with that formula, by the way. Wish I had tried Glossier products like years ago. I don't know why I slept on them. I'm also in love with the cookie butter bomb.com right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I decided to get that. Anyways, so I have my Givenchy powder on. I also have my Hourglass, I forget, this was last year's holiday Hourglass palette on. And then what else? I have the Lisa Eldridge Velvet Intrigue along with the Givenchy, what is this called? Le Interdit Lip Top Coat and Sparkling Night. This was last year's, actually both of these were last year's holiday collection that I have on my face. So, and then I did order the Satin Blanc in the VIB sale, so don't judge. And then I've been trying to remember, I used my Chantecaille brushes on the face today. I've been trying to remember to like let you guys know the brushes that I've been using, but I haven't been very successful at that. And then I also have as a highlight my Hourglass Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette, which I don't think is available at Sephora. I don't know if it's available anywhere. I'll have to double check on that. But anyway, so that's what's on my face. Let's get into these lovely metallic lipsticks. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Okay, and here is what the outside packaging looks like. The elegant, typical, bougie Gucci packaging that I absolutely love. Another reason I just think these are so gorgeous as holiday gifts, and for the holiday is just this holiday gold and black, you know, starry packaging. It's so beautiful. so beautiful. And then of course we've got the gold embossed Gucci. Oh, I love these. And I think these are the only ones that have this kind of packaging. So another reason, just such perfect lipsticks for the holidays. Okay, so first off we have Goldie Red. Oh my gosh, stunning. Which is the Gucci Red metallic shade. Next we have a Letty Orange, which is a deep orange metallic shade. And this is like the perfect fall, autumn, like Thanksgiving color in my opinion. I love this. It's so beautiful. Next we have Norma Pink. Again, another like just perfect shade for the holidays. That sort of plumish, cool toned, mauve-y, bronzy. Oh, just goodness. It's so beautiful. Next we have Billy Magenta. Which is a deep magenta metallic. Next we have My Forbidden Past, which is a deep gold metallic. Next we have Charlotte Blue, which is a deep gray blue metallic. Next up we have Victorian Blue, which is a deep blue metallic shade. And then we have Princess Olga Green, which is a deep green metallic. Okay, so now for some up-close lip swatches of all of these lovely metallic Rouge Gothique metallic lipsticks from Gucci. Okay, so first off we're going to start out with Norma Pink. Wow, that really goes look good with my eye look. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. So, so pretty. Okay, next up we have Letty Orange. I love the way these smell too. Okay, next up we have Goldie Red. Oh my goodness. Who, if this is not like the most perfect holiday red lipstick. Wow, I used to have a Smashbox liquid lip that was metallic, but I like this one so much better. I actually still might have that Smashbox just because I loved it so much, and it was like a metallic holiday red as well. But this one is even more just vibrant and beautiful. Yeah, I love this one. Okay, next up we have Billy Magenta. Next up we have My Forbidden Past. Wow. This with like the Natasha Denona gold palette or the mini gold or the Metropolis would be just so beautiful. Next we have Charlotte Blue. And next we have Victorian Blue. Alright, and last but not least, we have Princess Olga Green. Alright, you guys, so that is it. That is the full Gucci Rouge et Lèvres Gothique metallic lipstick line, every single shade. Again, these retail for $46, and you do get 3.5 grams, 1.12 ounces. They are made in Italy, and you can get all of these shades on Sephora's website right now. So if you're interested in splurging on just a beautiful like holiday show-stopping, just gorgeous shades for the holidays, whether you're gonna do something special, like these are the types of lipsticks that people are just like, what is on your lips? What is that? Because that is truly amazing. Like that, like people just stop in their tracks and look at your lips and are just like mesmerized by these shades. Like they are so stunning. Oh my goodness. And even if you're gonna be like me, which is just like rocking away to some Mariah Carey holiday tunes, wrapping some gifts in my jammies type of a deal, and you just wanna look extra, then these are for you too. Like they are so beautiful. I just think these are so beautiful and gorgeous and stunning, just perfect for the holidays, perfect for fall, winter, New Year's, Thanksgiving, just so gorgeous. And they have this like luminous sort of, you know, luminous moisturizing finish that is just so comfortable on the lips as well. You're not like cracking your lips to get it on. You know, some metallic lipstick formulas are really dry. This is beautiful. This is definitely like a luminous glide on, effortless. You don't need liner if you want to put liner, but you don't need it. Like I didn't put liner. I don't usually wear liner, and honestly with a metallic lip, all I can say is this formula is amazing. You don't even have to put liner on. Like it's just so gorgeous. My favorite shades would have to be Goldie Red, Forbidden Past, and Norma Pink, although I do like the orange one too. I don't know. Sound off below. What are you guys' favorite shades? Do you like these? Are you into a metallic lip? You know, what shades were you into? Some of the blues and greens were really, really nice too. So yeah, sound off below. Let me know what your thoughts are on these Gucci Rouge Lèvres Gothique metallic lipstick. That is a mouthful. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.